Hello, I'm Peter Saprari. I'm with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, and today we're going to be covering the Autocar XSpotter. The Autocar XSpotter is made by Autocar in Birmingham, Alabama, and today it's on our lot here in Fort Worth, Texas. The truck that we're covering, the Autocar XSpotter, is a DOT. That means this truck can be registered for on-road or off-road use, and it has a 200 horsepower QSB 6.7 liter engine in it. Has the full complement of the exhaust on it, as well as a 3500 series transmission. The 3500 series transmission by Allison gives you one lower gear, so when you're pulling out of the hole, this spotter will actually pull out a little quicker for you. One of the real big benefits, besides being American made and right here in the United States, is that it is an all steel cab. It's the largest all steel cab in the spotter category, with the large windshield and the side view windows. This cab gives you 360 degrees visibility. The benefit to you is safety, productivity, and quite honestly, taking care of your truck over a longer period of time. One of the things I'd like to point out to you is the robust steel bumper. This is important. It protects the cab. The cab, it extends 4 inches outside from the cab, so it gives a level of protection to any damage that you might occur to the cab. Besides the cab being all steel, the supports for the brackets are all steel as well, so that adds to the longevity and functionality of the truck. This truck comes with a Meritor 14,000 front axle and 23,000 pound rear axle. The gross combined vehicle weight rating on this truck is 81,000 pounds. So that means it can take its own weight plus tow up to 81,000 pounds. The Holland fifth wheel on the back is rated at 80,000 pounds. This truck right here from Wheelbase is 116 inches. That gives it the tightest turning radius in the spotter category and makes for moving trailers exceptionally easy for your driver. On the side over here, we have your battery box and we have a DEF tank. Now, if you'll notice, the DEF tank is actually encased in metal and it actually has a protective cover on it. The real benefit to you versus other options that are out there is that this covers the DEF tank from any kind of dirt and debris getting inside the tank. Again, that's a longevity and productivity issue. By keeping the dirt out of the tank, you're going to give yourself less troubles with your DEF system. As we walk around to the back side of the truck here, you're going to notice that this truck has a full complement of LED lights, both on the tail lights, the headlights, and the spotlights up on top of the cab and below the cab. That increases visibility in dark condition and allows you to actually point the spot to where you need it to be. Another feature you're going to see is the lower spotlight here is actually extended from the cab, and the real benefit on that is now you can get outside of your viewing angle to get alongside of what you're picking up. I like to point out to everybody that this truck has the option of the full fenders and the mud flaps. Again, that keeps your trailers clean and it keeps your truck clean. Over here we have a 50-gallon cylindrical tank, and the benefit of this is it's all aluminum. It's not a painted steel tank, which could delaminate and cause you problems with your fuel and your fuel filters later on. We also have safety decking up here. All of it is painted safety yellow, so it's high visibility, and it's a gator deck. So actually it grips better than other decks that are out there and self-cleans. As you step on it, the dirt is coming off your boot, going through the deck, and giving you a real good solid surface to stand on. Another feature about the Autocar is they've actually made a manifold for all your drain tanks, and it's right down here for your operators. The benefit here is you can drain all the air out of your tanks without having to pull a cord, and that will give you better longevity on your tanks. We also have on this truck an outside power. Now this power goes right to the heater on the engine. So in cold climates, you now have a way to plug your truck in overnight to prevent any kind of sludging on your diesel or your oil. Underneath the cab right over here, you're going to see the fuel filter, easily accessible. The benefit to you is when you change it, It's as ease of access for you. If you'll look inside right here, you'll see that the arm is bent. That gives you the benefit of a turning radius. The tire can turn farther in towards the frame, which makes this truck be able to turn within a turn. When you're looking at the mirrors that we have up here, we have optional mirrors. This is set up with the heated mirror option, but we also have power heated and motor mirrors. So you can have that as well. On the front of the truck over here, we have a pantograph wiper. The benefit of the pantograph wiper is it's clearing the water off the windshield left to right, as opposed to picking the water up and dropping the water down onto the windshield. On the top, because it's a DOT, it has marker lights. Now again, this can be registered as a DOT and plated to be on road up to 33 miles per hour, or it can be used in an off-road capacity. That's the choice for you. Again, getting back to the truck itself, an all steel truck. Big benefit to you is safety. This frame is rated at 2 million RBM, resistance to bending measure. So at 116 inches, this truck is set up to take and be the most durable truck in your fleet. We're gonna go around now and look inside of the cab, because that's something I'd like you to see. The size of the cab inside, it's the largest enclosure for a trailer spotter. It gives the tallest worker the easiest access and egress for the cab, and it also gives you the most belly room in front of the driver. You're gonna find that that also adds to safety, comfort, and productivity. So let's do that right now. Here we are upstairs in the cab, and this is an aluminum sliding door. The benefit of that is saves you weight, but more importantly, it is a level of protection for the driver. We also offer all tinted glass, and we have safety glass that's impenetrable. So the benefit to the driver is if a glad hand were to come free, it won't make it through the glass. That is an option. One of the other options I want to point out that we have on this truck right here is the breakaway glad hands. When a glad hand is on the truck like this and you pull away, it breaks away from the spotter and shoots towards the trailer, as opposed to breaking away from the trailer, shooting towards the spotter. That's a big benefit to your driver. Inside the cab, you're going to notice that we have a safety window. Besides being able to open the window like that to let cross air flow, should there be a problem with the spotter lying on its side, this has a safety lever latch on it where you can pop this out and the whole window will pop free of the enclosure, allowing your driver an easy access to get out of the spotter. Inside the spotter, this was set up to be ergonomically set up for the driver. A larger handle, a little farther back on the driver, so when he's looking over his shoulder, he can see, as opposed to having the handle up here where it's a little harder to turn. You're gonna notice the keypad is set up here. We have the option of a T-handle shift as well. South of the Mason-Dixon line, people prefer the buttons. North of the Mason-Dixon line, when you have gloves on, they prefer the handle, and we have both options available for you. The parking brake and the trailer brake system are here, right where the driver can easily access them. Across here, we have your work lights, your headlights, your engine diagnostic, and your interior lights. To the left on this side over here, I'd like to point out that this truck also comes with the momentary locking axle. So if people that are in northern climate or in muddy conditions, this truck actually has a locking rear differential on it. This is one of our specifications for the trucks, and that is so that way this truck can go anywhere in any climate. And if you're having a problem pulling up hill, you hit that button. It's momentary, so the moment you brake 3 miles an hour, say 5, it disengages. Or if your driver leaves it on but goes for 3 miles an hour for a too far a distance, it will turn off itself. So it's not always engaged, so you don't ruin the rear axle on this. The other big benefit of this particular truck is the Smart Dash. The Smart Dash actually provides a lot of diagnostic information on the truck, and it reports it back up into Autocar. This is an example of the Smart Dash telling you what your DEF level, your soot level, your battery voltage, your transmission level is at, and your coolant. Then it will go into how many miles have you driven and where are you at right now. And then you can go into the Smart Dash and select its features by holding down the button. Once you hold down the button, you'll come into a menu. This top button up here will let you scroll through the different menu options that are available for you. The benefit to you on this is you can program in all your service points and it will identify those points for your driver so you can give notification that the truck needs to come in. When you go into a diagnostic, you can hit this little check mark right here, and this will go through all the warnings and active codes that you have inside of the spotter. And then you can also go into setup to set some of the parameters that you want. You can do a self-test if you're a driver. By putting that down, it will self-test the gauges. You can see the gauges sweep. All the gauges will sweep. You can go through all the indicators, so now you can see every single indicator that's working. And then you can switch inputs. So this multi-function Smart Dash will allow you to identify any operating issues that the truck is currently having, and it'll also give you some validity to any driver concerns that they may have driving the truck. Quite frankly, this is one of the most important parts of this truck because it actually helps the fleet manager manage the trucks and the drivers. Another thing about Autocar also has a thing called solutions. This truck has a 7-year warranty on a frame and a 1-year, 12-month, 3,000 bumper-to-bumper warranty on the truck. Those items can be handled through the Autocar Solutions. Autocar Solutions has a little tag right up here. You can go into Autocar Solutions on the internet, type in the last 6 digits of your VIN, and that will give you instant access to somebody at Autocar. So you will be dealing with factory-trained technicians that can help you diagnose what your issue is or even help you get parts. If you want, this is a Cummins and Allison powertrain. And Cummins has over 3,700 locations nationally to support the Cummins engines. And Allison has over 1,600 locations nationally to support the transmission. So while it comes with a standard 2-year warranty on the engine, you can also get an extended warranty for up to 5 years, 100,000 miles on this truck to cover both the engine and the after treatment. And you can also get a 5-year unlimited mile Allison transmission that includes towing on this truck. So these are some of the best features of this particular truck. Outside of this super comfortable chair I'm sitting in that's made out of ballistic corduroy, the seat has 2 different options. One is a ballistic fabric, which is tear resistant, and the other is vinyl. And this particular seat is also air driven and comfortable. We're going to go around to the front and I'm going to show you the engine. In order to see the engine on this truck, we're going to tilt the cab. The lever is right here that I need to pull up, and then this is the button to raise the cab. It is a hydraulic electric assist. The cab will tilt 82 degrees. Now that's important to you because if you ever need to get access inside of here and want to work on the engine or the transmission, this cab tilts far enough forwards where you can pull the whole powertrain out without having to take the cab off. That's a big feature. Not to mention having that much access inside underneath the cab, it allows you to work on virtually everything in and under the cab. Autocar works specifically with Cummins. Cummins tells them how big a radiator they need and how much airflow they want. This truck is set up exactly for that, and when you look at the shroud on the fan of this truck, you can see how fitting it is to pull as much air through that radiator from all 5 points. That's the 2 outside and the center part of that radiator to create the cooling this truck needs. This truck also comes with an overflow tank for the radiator, and it's right up here on top with a sight valve that shows you how much radiator fluid is in there. Besides these features, this truck also comes with the airbag system for the cab, giving this an exceptional ride quality for the driver. I would tell you that for your money, the best bet, the safest bet, the bet that gives you the most longevity and the biggest bang for your buck is Autocar with their all steel cab, all the windows and the incredible visibility, the LED lighting that lights up everything in and around it, and the ride quality of that cab. I'm Peter Saprari, I'm with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, and this is the Autocar ACX DOT 200 horsepower 5-speed Allison transmission 3500 unit that can carry up to 81,000 gross combined vehicle weight. I look forward to hearing from you. Please reach out to us at Industrial Power Truck and Equipment.